My interest in seeing Iowa adopt a new consumer fraud statute started a number of years ago when we represented a family who had been victimized by a financial advisor. The advisor traveled around the United States, appearing on talk shows and at seminars, and had written bestsellers claiming that he had made and lost millions of dollars before discovering the secrets to wealth. In fact, the financial advisor was not an expert on anything except how to sell his own products and services. The husband and wife joined the advisor's organization and then followed his advice to drop uninsured motorist coverage and a type of life insurance that he described as wasteful and duplicative. The husband then was killed by an uninsured motorist. Through a very lengthy and expensive court proceeding, we finally were able to persuade a jury that the advisor had defrauded the husband and wife, and we were able to obtain some compensation for the wife and her children. However, in the publicity that followed, we were contacted by a number of Iowa citizens who had smaller claims against the same financial advisor, and unfortunately, in terms of the expense and time, it simply wasn't practical for them to bring claims against the advisor. We also were contacted by citizens of a number of other states that had consumer protection laws that allowed them to bring claims against the financial advisor. And we discovered that it was much simpler and much less expensive to bring those fraud claims under the consumer fraud statutes of those states. The Iowa legislature finally adopted a consumer fraud statute in 2009. It makes it much easier to bring a claim and to recover damages and attorney's fees against a business that engages in deceptive and misleading conduct. It's especially valuable for the most vulnerable of our population, for example, seniors who frequently are victimized by fraud. There's additional information available concerning Iowa's new consumer fraud statute in an article on our website. I think it's a great victory for Iowans.